So I haven't uploaded any videos in about a half a year because, I mean, it was kind of discouraging seeing how bad some of my videos turned out. And I just tried to record a video of Star Colony to try to start it back up, but then it only recorded the first 8 seconds before not recording anything after that, and, I mean, so I just decided, you know what, I'm just gonna record something I'm good at. So I'm gonna show you probably one of the greatest games ever conceived, with some of the greatest gameplay ever conceived, SpongeBob SquarePants, the video game. Isn't it such elegant gameplay? And you can do it at Wendy's. FYI, this is not sponsored by Wendy's. I mean, if you've already seen how small this channel is, then I bet that's pretty much already easy to tell. And yeah, this isn't much, but this started out as an idea because I want to make a game for a special needs kid. I wanted to, like, try it out by this idea I had where I'd ask him a bunch of questions about stuff he liked and try to compile it into a game, but I never really finished it, and I don't know if I'd ever get around to the time to actually show it to him because, I mean, I don't know. So I just thought I'd do a video on it because, I mean, I'm really good at Scratch. This is probably, like, bottom of the barrel basic here. You click SpongeBob, he laughs, you click the arrows, it changes the background. But I do have a sprite here of the house, so you can click it and go inside. I don't feel like going on the internet and getting stuff, because this is going to be a short video anyway. So I'm just going to maybe do a little tutorial here. So if you look, you got events here. These are like the stuff that says when this happens, and then you got all the other stuff that's what happens when that thing happens. Like when you click the green flag, SpongeBob just goes to this position. I don't know. That's just an extra thing. And then when he is clicked, because these are the sprites, then it plays the sound SpongeBob's laugh. That's found in this sounds. And yes, it's obnoxiously long. That's exactly how long the laugh is. But I made a sprite for this because I plan to make a part where you could go inside. I mean, you got the things where it's like when it receives stuff. I mean, I don't really feel like going over a lot of this. I'm just gonna show some basic stuff of what I'm doing right now. So I'm gonna go to the sprite library, choose a sprite from the wait, no. Actually, scratch that. Not from the sprite library. Oops. Sorry about that. It's gonna be choose a backdrop. And I'm gonna pick the bedroom because why not? We're going to the pineapple house, everybody. Isn't this amazing? So now what I'm gonna do is go out of this. So when this sprite is clicked, I'm gonna say it's gonna broadcast something, and this is like a message. It's shouting out to all the other sprites saying, hey, you gotta respond to this, and then any other sprite that's got a script responding to it will do that script when it receives the message. So it's gonna be like, say, go inside. Now we get to go inside the pineapple house. What's gonna happen is, then this sprite here, which is kind of like a backdrop, I don't know why I didn't make this a background, but I just decided to make a sprite. It's gonna go, when I receive go inside, hide. Get it? It rhymes. Yeah, I know. And I'm just gonna go to backdrops and get rid of this white backdrop because I don't need it. I don't need to worry about switching the backdrop either because you're only gonna see the backdrop when you go inside. But now, oh, whoops. Sorry about that. I forgot to put hide under here. Yay! And also I should probably make these hide because, duplicate this, hide. By the way, show and hide means it will appear or disappear. Pretty simple stuff. But yeah, when I receive go inside, hide, so now you don't have to worry about that thing going to Wendy's anymore. But then what I gotta do is say, how are you gonna get out? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to a key press on this sprite. I'm gonna press, say, E for exit. When key E pressed, broadcast exit looks show I'm gonna go to here, duplicate this because it's exactly the kind of script I need, except instead I'm gonna switch this to exit, so it's gonna show when that exit thing comes up, and then show when I receive exit. So now, really, the green flag doesn't do anything except reset where you are in the game, but if I click the pineapple house, you can go inside, press E, you're back outside, you can go to Wendy's. You know, my original intention for going to Wendy's was going to be that you were going to go to play a bunch of mini games around the world, get enough money, and then eventually buy a Frosty at Wendy's. Again, not sponsored, but I keep accidentally dragging these. Yeah. Right now, all you can do is annoy your teacher in class by making this happen in the middle of class. And yes, I know people who will, like, play the Roblox death sound in the middle of math class while everybody's trying to do their homework. It's annoying, but kind of comedic at the same time. Okay, you can stop. No. No. So, maybe I could just... Honestly, I don't even know why I thought of adding an AK-47 to shoot the balloons just for comedic effect, like it's SpongeBob hysterically laughing with an AK-47 in his hands would be kind of the thing that you'd not want to see, but now I'm just gonna add a little thing where you click it and it says something. Why not? No. Is there like a mouse or something? Because the kid I made it for was obsessed with Stuart Little, and that's a mouse. Ah. Here. I'm gonna set rotation to point up. So it looks like it's standing, kind of. I mean, that looks terrible, but I mean, still. So events, when green flag clicked, I'm gonna drag a couple when I receives, as in a few. One of them's gonna be exit. One of them's gonna be go inside. One of them's gonna be SpongeBob's house. And I actually need a fourth one for Wendy's. I'm gonna need, respectively, hide, show, when green flag clicked, show, events. When this sprite clicked, and it's going to say, for 2 seconds, I'm Stuart Little. I probably spelled that wrong too, but I don't know. I mean, it's not like I'm gonna do anything with this. I'm just doing it because. But yeah, again, the kid I was making this for had an obsession with Stuart Little, so I guess that's just why I'm putting this in. Because for a while, like, he would keep saying that's all he watches ever. But there. Look, it says it now. Now, one thing that you can actually do instead is go... This is more advanced, but you put forever, so it will always be checking for this. Video's almost over, actually. So actually, I'm going to show this in another video. I'm going to upload right after this. Let me just put this back. There. Perfect. Excellent gameplay, everybody. I'm just going to keep doing this for the last 30 seconds of the video. Okay, I shall spare you. But yeah. Well, I'll admit, I mean, at least this added something to the game. Not much, but you can, like, explore, click stuff. Honestly, this is going to be one of those kind of games, like, it's like click things and interact and see all kinds of weird animations. One of those kind of games. The kind of games that everybody kind of doesn't really care much about. And I guess that means it's time to sign off, so I'll see you all later. I mean, in the next video I upload, if this one successfully gets made, of me continuing to work on SpongeBob SquarePants, the video game, I also hope that this doesn't get copyright flagged by the creators of SpongeBob, because I know I used the laugh in this, but I'll have you know that I got the laugh from another Scratch project. So yeah, well, I gotta turn it off here. End recording.